The unconquerable mind, your day, your rules. Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the timeless wisdom of Stoicism to help you seize your day with power and purpose. Stoicism offers practical strategies for resilience, clarity, and inner peace. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, we often react rather than act. The Stoics, like Marcus Aurelius and Seneca, faced immense challenges. They built an inner fortress of tranquility. Their wisdom is about understanding what truly matters, transform obstacles into opportunities, and find strength in adversity. So come along as we unlock these ancient secrets for modern mastery. Let's get started. The dawn of purpose. Setting your daily intention. Start your day by setting a clear and meaningful intention. Marcus Aurelius would remind himself each morning of the work he was born to do. Think of your intention as your compass, guiding you towards what truly matters. This practice isn't about scripting every moment, but about setting a theme for your day. By consciously choosing your focus before the world rushes in, you reclaim your power. So, before you pick up your phone, take a few quiet moments. Ask yourself, what is my purpose today? What virtue will I embody? This is how we start to build a life of character, one intentional day at a time. The Forge of Character. Embracing discomfort. The second Stoic rule is all about embracing discomfort. In our modern world, we're often encouraged to seek comfort, but the Stoics knew that real growth happens in discomfort. Seneca once said that difficulties strengthen the mind, just as labor strengthens the body. So don't shy away from challenges, embrace them. The Stoics practiced voluntary hardship to build mental toughness. Embracing discomfort means understanding that true fulfillment often lies just beyond what feels difficult. When your day throws something tough your way, see it as a chance to practice courage and build your resolve. This is how we develop an inner strength that can weather life's inevitable storms. Welcome to the Citadel of Serenity, mastering the dichotomy of control. The third Stoic rule is both simple and life-changing. Focus on what you can control and let go of what you can't. Epictetus, one of the great Stoic philosophers, emphasized this idea. Some things are up to us and others are not. Our thoughts, judgments, intentions, and actions are within our control. External events, the opinions of others, and our health are mostly outside of it. Much of our anxiety comes from mixing up these two categories. The Stoics encouraged us to focus on the quality of our own choices and responses. This is where our true power lies. By embracing this dichotomy, a profound sense of peace becomes possible. Practice this daily and you'll build an unshakable inner citadel. The Evening Ledger. The power of Stoic reflection. The final Stoic rule is to take a moment to reflect on your day. At the end of each day, pause and review your actions, thoughts, and responses. This practice is about honest self-assessment and continuous improvement. Seneca described his evening routine as examining his entire day, asking himself, what fault have I resisted? In what way am I better? This daily review helps you identify patterns in your behavior and understand your triggers. By acknowledging these moments, you turn every day into a lesson. This practice of reflection ensures that your commitment to Stoic principles is an ongoing journey of refinement. These four Stoic rules, setting a clear intention, embracing discomfort, focusing on what you control, and reflecting on your day, are practical tools for modern life. They offer a path to inner peace. The journey of Stoicism is a daily commitment. Remember, the power to conquer your day lies within you. Start small, be patient, and celebrate progress. Cultivate inner strength and clarity. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay strong and conquer your day.